western Howard County in central Maryland until 7 o'clock p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Fort Meade, or near Severn, and was moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.